These are all the pieces. These are the base plates. Those are the two towers that screw into the base plates. And these are the crossbars that will screw into each other. This is one of the two towers, fit into the base plate, and we're going to screw it from the bottom. These are the two towers. Now with the foot plate, small screw goes here. You will need a large Phillips head screwdriver to screw them in. These are the shorter crossbar pieces which screw into each other, creating two long crossbars. Notice that each of the ends are flat, but the ends that are going to go into the edges have the curve. So leave the curves on each of the ends of these bars. This is going to be the pole that holds the banner up and holds it on the bottom. These are very nice. You unscrew it just a little and it pulls out. And if yours is like mine, it will have a little mark. And once you reach that mark, you tighten it. And you do the same thing for the extender that's on the other end. Now if it doesn't have that mark, just extend the entire pole so that it's about an inch beyond the total banner. So I haven't done that end yet. I know from experience that if you go too far and you pull this entire pole out, it's a little bit of a pain to get back in. Each of those horizontal poles that you just did slides right into a pocket on the top and bottom of the banner. So I'm going to slide them both in. Now you can see that the pole is inside the banner and poking out of each side. Same thing for the lower one. Now here's a tricky one. You may say, well, the hole is blocked. How can I fit something in that? And the secret is that the pole is extended down, and so you're getting the metal. And once we pull it up just a little bit from that lower bit, sorry, and now we have an open port. So you've got 4 knobs, and you've got a hole on each of the 2 bottoms and each of the 2 tops, and they screw into the horizontal part of the banner. So I'm doing the lower one, and you do this each of the 4 times. So now you can see I've done the top, I've done the bottom on the left, I've done the top and the bottom on the right, and this is what I've got so far. Now what's critical to know here is you actually have 2 ways to extend this bar. 2 ways to extend it. There's a screw here and a screw here. And you remember those silver indicators that show you the bar isn't going too high? Those are very important to honor. Now it's a little clumsy here if you're only one person and trying to lift one bar without the other at the same time. So you can go little by little and then go across the other bar and lift it. So as you can see, I can't lift one bar to the full height. What really helps is if you don't make these things too tight, any of them, that gives you more wiggle room. Now I'm going to go to the other side. As you can see, we're getting it higher. Now if you had 2 people, this would be faster. So you see I've extended the top to the silver mark and the bottom to the silver mark. And I've done that on both sides. And we've got our full banner up. Now when you take it apart, taking it apart is a lot easier. It's important to make sure you do not lose all of the pieces, especially the 4 hand tighteners. These are the hand tighteners right there. Those are really critical. And the 2 large Phillips head screws. Make sure those are put in a separate bag inside the full carry bag. So there are only 2 holes that you need to finally put the banner together. One is right there. And you might say, well, where is it? The answer is, it's right there. It may be hidden behind this tightener. So then I tighten that. I actually put my banner together with the pole in a low position and then subsequently raise the poles.